will come back to help her dad. Today we're diving into a significant shift in the automotive market. New cars and their hefty payments are out, while cheap, older cars are definitely in. We're seeing high new car prices driving a major change in consumer behavior. What's making matters worse is the increasing interest rates, which are really hammering affordability for many people. Because of this, we're seeing a noticeable shift towards more affordable and reliable older vehicles. This guide is designed to fully explore this emerging trend, outlining all the benefits of choosing an older car, and of course, all the important considerations you need to keep in mind. T's talk about why new cars are becoming increasingly unaffordable. The average price of a new car is steadily rising, and statistics show this is a significant trend. I'll link the source in the description. Several factors contribute to this, including the overall impact of inflation on vehicle manufacturing, which naturally drives up production costs. We're also still feeling the effects of chip shortages and disruptions to global supply chains, making it harder and more expensive to build new vehicles. Finally, there's feature creep. New cars are increasingly packed with technology that many drivers don't necessarily need, and that added complexity further pushes up the price. Interest rates play a huge role in determining your car payments, and we call them the payment amplifier for a reason. The Federal Reserve's decisions on interest rates directly affect the interest rates you'll see on your auto loans. Consequently, these higher interest rates will significantly increase your monthly payments, making even a moderately priced car feel much more expensive. This ripple effect extends to the total cost of ownership, as a larger portion of your payments will be going towards interest rather than the principal amount of the car itself. Finally, we'll touch on refinancing options, which might offer some relief if interest rates happen to decrease in the future. The used car market presents a compelling alternative, primarily due to its more affordable purchase price compared to brand new vehicles. A significant advantage is that the initial depreciation hit has already been absorbed by the previous owner, saving you a considerable amount of money right off the bat. You'll also find a wider variety of makes and models available in the used market, giving you more options to choose from. Furthermore, with careful research and inspection, you have the potential to find well-maintained vehicles at significantly lower prices than their new counterparts. The advantages of opting for an older, more affordable vehicle are numerous. First, you'll likely face significantly lower monthly payments, or even better, the possibility of buying the car outright, eliminating debt altogether. Insurance costs also tend to be much lower, as you can often get away with liability coverage instead of the more expensive full coverage. Older cars often have simpler mechanical systems, making DIY repairs more feasible for those inclined to get their hands dirty. Ultimately, owning a cheaper car can lead to less financial stress and more disposable income for other priorities. There are, of course, potential drawbacks to consider when opting for an older vehicle. Due to their age, these cars often come with higher maintenance costs and an increased risk of breakdowns and repairs. Depending on the model, you might also experience lower fuel efficiency compared to newer cars. Safety features in older vehicles are generally less advanced as well, so it's important to factor that in. Therefore, a thorough inspection and a pre-purchase check by a trusted mechanic are absolutely crucial before making a decision. Find a reliable older car. Start by browsing online marketplaces such as Craigslist and Facebook Marketplace, where you can often find deals directly from private sellers. Consider the pros and cons of buying from private sellers versus dealerships. Private sellers may offer lower prices, but dealerships typically provide more buyer protection. Always obtain a Carfax or similar vehicle history report to check for accidents, title issues, and maintenance records. When you find a potential vehicle, conduct a thorough visual inspection, looking for signs of rust, leaks, or damage. Be sure to take the car for a test drive to assess its performance, paying attention to the engine, transmission, and brakes. Finally, before making a purchase, it's highly recommended to have a trusted mechanic perform a pre-purchase inspection to identify any hidden problems. Maintaining and repairing an older vehicle is absolutely crucial if you want to keep it running smoothly for years to come. Regular maintenance, such as oil changes, tire rotations, and fluid checks, is key to its longevity. Finding a reliable and affordable mechanic is also essential, someone you can trust to give you honest advice and quality work. Don't forget to utilize online resources and DIY tutorials, as there's a wealth of information available to help you tackle some repairs yourself. It's also important to focus on proactive repairs and preventative maintenance. Addressing small issues early can prevent them from becoming major, costly problems down the road. Finally, always balance the repair costs against the vehicle's value, making sure that the investments you're making are worthwhile in the long run. Thanks for watching. See you next time on Helper Dad. We've seen how cheap old cars offer a viable alternative to those expensive new vehicles that are flooding the market. Now, before you rush out and buy one, it's essential to weigh the pros and cons very carefully. Older cars can come with their own set of challenges. Make sure you conduct thorough research and a comprehensive inspection before purchasing any used vehicle to avoid unexpected repairs. Consider your own specific needs, your available budget, and your level of mechanical aptitude, as some maintenance might be required. Finally, explore all your options, take your time, and find the right vehicle that fits your unique situation. Are you ready to save money and own a car without the burden of high payments?